Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. For this video, let's check how this TDG500, also known as the TDM15 battery, will last. As of now, it is on full charge. So let's go to about system. Okay, this is the DW3 VTL slash dash 2. Okay, power on time record 0 days, 0 hours, 10 minutes. So later we will check again if how long will this battery last on a one fully charged battery. Okay, that's it for now. We'll continue later. Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. Again, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. So for now, let's check the battery capacity of this TD Radio TDG500, also known as the TDM15. So recently it is on 10 minutes being turned on. So let's check now. Again, this is the TW3 VTL 2. So it's been 12:08 in the afternoon here in the Philippines. So let's check the system. Okay, so it's almost it's been 1 hour and 55 minutes, but the battery indicator is the same. No difference since the first video. Okay, so that's it. And shout out to Sir Alex Navarro 9607 and to Sir Jerlon Bahenting Delta Yankee 9 Kilo Queen Zulu, our YouTube follower. So that's it for now. 73 and mabuhay. Good day fellow hams, good day mga karadyo. Again, this is Delta Whiskey 3 Victor Tango Lima. Let's check the battery life or the battery percentage of this TD Radio POC network radio, the TDG500, also known as the TDM15. So let's see. As you can see, 2 bars left on the battery indicator. So this is the DW3 VTL-2. So let's see about system. Okay, 1 day, 2 hours and 19 minutes, but still it have 2 bars on its battery indicator. So good quality battery, long lasting. Okay, that's it for now, and shout out to other followers on YouTube and on TikTok, also on Facebook. Please support my YouTube channel, Kuyang Esing Vlogs, on TikTok, DW3 VTL Ham Radio, and also on my Facebook account. 73 and mabuhay.